Guys, I wanted to show you this. We've talked a lot about pressurizing that fluid and getting it down on top of that needle nozzle. One of the issues that you have with a gravity fed and pressurizing the cup is keeping it from leaking. It's been an issue with every manufacturer I'm aware of. But again, I'm not aware of them all. But anyway, 3M came up with what's called a PPS system. And basically, now this is the large one. This is the bigger quart one. What it is you've got a plastic container or nylon, whatever, and inside it you have a bag. See it? And the pressure comes in the cup, pressurizes the bag like a bladder, creates the pressure to the fluid. Now you can get them they work bottom fed, they work top fed, but they really do work nice. Now the other thing with it is, now when you change it, it's got a pressure line. You just stick it into the side of your gun. And you can take multiple bladders and it breaks down like so, and you can take the bag out. They're reusable, and you can wash it inside and out, and that's predominantly your cup cleanup. Now what I have in here now is I have some really thick paint. And I have, I'm messy, and I have a 1.3 needle nozzle. They don't go together real well. But with the PPS system, I've got two things. I'm pressurizing this cup, number one, and number two, I've got the gravity. So I've got as much pressure coming down on top of that as I can get. And I can spray a thick paint with a whole lot less issue. Now, in the paint section, this is reduced a little bit, but it really works nice. I just wanted to bring it to your attention. Now, while we're here, I want to show you another one. And I think you can get the PPS system for about any gun. You just kind of have to look up there on the computer. There's a lot of different places sell it. We got ours from thefinishingstore.com, which is Apollo. You can also get what they call touch-up cups. And while these are called touch-up because of their size, the reality of it is they're really nice. Because again, you can put this on your cup, and you've got such a smaller, you don't have that big cup, so accessing inside and whatever is a lot easier. They're nice to have, real nice to have. Okay, that's the PPS system and touch-up cup.